In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use SeedLeaf's flexible design to have an unlimited number of product sizes. So let's start here on the product page. You can see I've got 3 products listed here, and they're all an Amaranth product. Amaranth Standard, we'll take a look at here, has a small, which is 2 ounces, a medium, which is 4 ounces, a large, which is 8 ounces, and a live tray. So that's pretty standard. That's why I call it Amaranth Standard. Now, I have more size needs than that can give me, so I've created 2 more products that are Amaranth. This one's called the Amaranth Sampler. It's also a small, but it's 0.5 ounces. And then our other one is Amaranth Extra Large, which is a large at 20 ounces. So you can see I've created these different products. Now the question is it going to be confusing when you have to deal with these products later? So let's go to our tasks. These got sowed on the 13th, and your products make no difference to your sowing because this is all about the crop. So you can see we need our 43 trays to be sowed on that day. Our harvest day is the 28th of February, so let's go there and look at our packaging. So here you can see I have 4 Amaranth Standards to pack, an Amaranth Sampler, and an Extra Large. So let's take a look at these. In the standards, we have a small, medium, large, and tray size. So those are just our standards that we'd be used to. But then we have our Amaranth Sampler, which is also a small, but at 0.5 ounces, and our Amaranth Extra Large, which is a large at 20 ounces. So we can compare that with the 8-inch large here, and the 8 ounce and the 2 ounce small here. So we have some multiple smalls, and we have multiple larges, but we also have different product names and different sizes. So what you want to just be careful of is that you don't just look at large and pack an 8 ounce or look at large and pack a 20 ounce. It's important to just check your product, check your size, and check your weight. And if you're using a notation like this where it says Amaranth 1, that tells you this is a product that has multiple size variants. So you can use whatever system that you want in order to do this. This is just how I've done it as a demo. So using this, you can actually create any size, you can customize any number you want and any weight you want as well. So just a quick little tip, if you're finding you need more flexibility in your sizes, here's how SeedLeaf can do it.